Good morning, everybody. Hello, all of you. Good morning. And in my last video, I have told you that I will give you another interesting formula, and which can be done in a single line also. Okay. So in my previous video, I have told you x to the power 10 divided by x to the power plus 1 will give x to the power 8. Then x to the power, because 10 minus 2 is 8, then 6, then x to the power 4, then x to the power 2, then 1 minus 1 by x to the power plus 1. I have told you. And you should not take the power as negative. Because 10 minus 2 it is 8, 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 minus 2 it is 4, 4 minus 2 it is 2, 2 minus 2 it is 0. Then the last term which you have got, it is 1. So 1 by x square plus 1. This is the trick. And it is the power 10, that means even power. And if it is odd power, then what will be the answer? 9 minus 2 is 7, x to the 7, then 7 minus 2 is 5, x to the 5, and then plus x to the 3, because 5 minus 2 is 3, then 3 minus 2 is 1, then minus x, then 1 minus 2 it will be negative power, so exclude that one, then plus the last term is x, so x by x square plus 1. And I have told you, you should give the alternate sign, plus minus plus minus plus minus. Here also plus minus plus minus plus. Okay. And I have also told you, and what is the integration of x square plus 1? How to do this one? I am multiplying 2 and dividing 2, so that it will become half. This is derivative denominator is in the numerator, so ln of x square plus 1, and that you can write x square plus 1 root over. Also you can write this one, root over of ln of x square plus 1. Clear? So another formula I have told you, it is dx by x square plus 1 integration. Dx by x square plus 1, it is tan inverse x. Dx by x square plus 1, it is tan inverse x plus c. Clear? So today I am going to tell you about the power of cot x. Any power. Here n is a natural number. That means it may be even, it may be odd. Clear? Same procedure. First of all, I am going to tell you in the written process. Let cot x is equal to t. Then what is the derivative of cot x? Minus cosec square x into dx is equal to t. So dx is equal to minus dt by cosec square x. And cosec square x can be written as cot square x plus 1. Because cosec square x is equal to 1 plus cot square x. Cosec square x is equal to 1 plus cot square x. And minus dt by cot x is t, so it is t square plus 1. The difference is that in case of tan x, in my previous video, you are taking positive here, but here it is negative, and nothing difference is there. Only sign will change. Okay. So it will become minus t to the power n by, what is the value of dx? dt by this one. So I have taken minus outside. So t square plus 1 into dt. Clear? In case of tan, only this part was there. No negative sign was there. Here only negative sign is there. Clear? So see here. How to do the programs. It is cot 10x into dx. It will become, write these things on the right hand side. So it will become minus t to the power 10 divided by t square plus 1 into dt. Clear? So minus, and what is the result? What will be the result? Obtained by the division process. 10 to the power 8, because 10 minus 2 is 8, then t to the power 6, then t to the power 4, then t to the power 2, then 1, then minus 1 by t square plus 1 into dt. Clear? So the answer will be minus t to the 8 dt, it will be t to the 9 by 9, minus t to the 7 by 7, plus t to the 5 by 5 minus t to the 3 by 3 plus t minus how to write this one? Can you write? It is tan inverse t. Clear? Then plus c. I'll tell you how to write this one. Minus. At the value of t, t is cot. Cot 9x by 9 minus cot 7x by 7 plus cot 5x by 5 minus cot cube x by x plus cot x minus tan inverse t. How to write tan inverse t? Because tan inverse t, I have told you in my trigonometry inverse function, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So tan inverse x will be equal to pi by 2 minus cot inverse x. So here I can write pi by 2 minus cot inverse x. I can write plus c multiply minus cot 9x by 9 plus cot 7x by 7 minus cot 5x by 5 plus cot cube x by 3 then minus cot x. So minus it will become plus. So pi by 2, I am taking pi by 2 to this constant, attached to the constant, and this will become minus plus and this minus. So it will become minus cot inverse x plus c plus pi by 2, and c plus pi by 2 will become another constant. And what is your cot inverse x? Cot inverse, it is not x, it is cot inverse t, because there was the tan inverse t, so it becomes cot inverse t. So what is cot inverse t? It is x. So this quantity will become x. So I can write minus cot 9x by 9 plus cot 7x by 7 minus cot 5x by x by 5 plus cot cube x by 3 minus cot x minus x plus c1. But c1 is equal to c plus pi by 2. So this is your answer. Clear? So how to write directly from this line to this line? Simply 10 minus 1, same procedure. 10 minus 1 it is 9. So 9, then minus 2 7, minus 2 5, minus 2 3, then minus 2 1, then write x. But this sign, see this sign, minus plus minus plus minus, and this sign will become minus. That means same sign as that of this sign, minus 1. The last two terms will be of same sign. Clear? So now you can do the even power, and now how to do the odd powers. See here. Cot 9x into dx integration. Same substitution, it will become t to the 9 minus by t square plus 1 into dt, and now tell me it will become t to the 7 minus t to the 5 plus t to the 3 minus t plus t by t square plus 1 into dt. Clear? So minus t to the 7, t to the 8 by 8 minus t to the 6 by 6 plus t to the 4 by 4 minus t square by 2 plus half into 2, ln of this one. That means half ln of t square plus 1 plus c. And multiply minus intercept t, right cot 8x by 8 plus cot 6x by 6 minus cot 4x by 4 plus cot square x by 2 minus ln of, I am taking half to the power. So 1 plus t square, and 1 plus t square means 1 plus cos square x. 1 plus cos square x is cosec square x, and root over of cosec square x is cosec x. Plus c. So you can write minus ln cosec x, or you can write plus ln sin x, because 1 by cosec x is sin x. If you take minus to the power, it will become 1 by cosec x, and 1 by cosec x is sin x. Clear? See here, you can do like this for plus 2 exam, that means for 12th board, and for entrance, so 9 minus 1 it is 8, so 8 minus 2 6, minus 2 4, minus 2 2, then right after getting 2 you should write ln cosec x and put the alternate sign and start from negative, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. The answer will start from negative in case of cot, but in case of tan you are starting with positive, positive, negative and so on. But in case of cot you should start from negative, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Clear? And now I have told you how to do the powers of cot. So I am giving some homework. Cot square x dx, cot cube x dx, and so on up to. Please do these problems so that you will be thorough. Okay, and why you are hesitating to give comments? You have some skill to type and you know English better. Otherwise you can give comments in your own language also, in your language Hindi or in Odia, anything. Okay, and if you don't like to press the like button, then don't press. And if you are enjoying these formulas, so please press the like button. Okay, and thank you for watching my channel, and thank you for watching my class. So thank you everybody, and I hope you are also enjoying my live classes on integration. And I want some comments from you that actually in your state board books the questions are not in a systematic way. That means from the very first chapter you will face some questions of tan inverse x or sin inverse or cosec inverse or sec inverse, like this. And if you follow R.D. Sharma, then it will be better. Otherwise, do my questions which I am giving you in your description, and those questions perhaps are from R.D. Sharma. Do those questions, it will be better, and it is in a systematic way. And instead of doing 100 or 200 questions, if you will do 2000 questions, it will be better for you, and 1000 times it will be better for you. And don't think that 2000 questions will take 1 year. Simply within 1 hour or 1.5 hours, you can do 100 to 200 questions. Provided you should remember the trigonometry formula, derivative formulas, and simple derivatives. Simple derivatives. Derivative log x, derivative log sin x, derivative sin square x, derivative sin inverse 2x, like this. Simple derivatives you should know, which are 0 mark questions. Because in your exam you will not face derivative of sin 2x, derivative of log x. Clear? These are the 0 mark questions. But these are necessary for integrations. That is why I am telling you that you should remember the derivative formulas and the trigonometry formulas. Then only you can do 100 questions within 1 hour. Clear? So thank you, and if you are enjoying my videos, so please wait for my next video. Okay, bye bye.